Dude, I'm dizzy, bro.
Oh! It's the chain jumping. You got it. Ah! Yeah, damn.
It is finally time to put the Porsche shell on the Mini GT3 RS. It still has french fries in it from doing Uber Eats. Do this alone and it looks ridiculous because the spoiler's propping it up way too high. Oh my god, the chain is so loose. But the links are so big. Thank you, bro! No way! Oh, it bogged out just like he was saying it would. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Dude, the two-stroke, the power band's crazy!